Hello crypto elites and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be discussing Vechain and V4. Today we're going to kickstart this video by talking about V4, being that, as you can see up on screen, we have had a big wick to the upside, I believe completing around about 45% on the daily. So what's happened here is that we had this big wick to the upside. To be fair, it's nothing new for V4, but it was nice to capitalize on some profits yesterday. But we have retested this sort of sideways channel, the top resistance line. All we've done is retested it and retraced immediately back down. We did sell out at this point in the group that I have. But it is a good thing that we are constantly retesting, because eventually when these movement averages cross over, we will see a breakthrough of this resistance line. Right now, as you can see, V4 is now trading within the sideways channel. We are still yet to see our golden cross on the V4 chart. But my intention is to wait for V4 to potentially drop back down to the support line, rebuy back in anticipation for another swing to the upside. As you can see, V4 is sort of on a upwards trend. We keep on setting higher highs and higher lows, which is a good thing. It means that we're heading in the right direction. So yeah, it's just a waiting game for V4. We can see that we are down by nearly about 4% on the daily. Again, wait for that golden cross for that big swing to the upside. This is what brings me on to Vechain, because Vechain is currently lagging behind, and I just want to discuss what's currently happening on this chart. So Vechain, completely different from V4, is up by about 4.15% on the daily. As you can see, in regards to V4, V4 went on and touched this resistance line up here yesterday. Currently we're sitting on about 0.25 cents at about this mark here. We're looking at about 0.35 cents. So I can anticipate Vechain coming back to rejoining this upward trend line that it's been going through since the last month or so. We can also see that the moving averages are about to cross over, which it means that we potentially have this immediate wick to the upside. It all pretty much goes in line with this upward channel here. So we are literally days away from retesting this upward channel and retesting this 0.35 mark for Vechain. I do believe this is a great buying opportunity for Vechain in order to capitalize on some profits. I believe you should be looking roughly around about similar profits to V4, which is around about the 45% mark. So yeah, that's my analysis. In the long term for Vechain, again, I've stated in my previous videos, we are looking to be trading above these 100-week moving averages, which is roughly around about the 7 cent mark. And again, for V4, I'm not going to abbreviate all of these zeros, but again, we're looking to be roughly around the 0.005 mark, which will be sitting above the 100-week moving average for V4. And to be fair, in the grand scheme of things, that's not a lot to ask for, but that's on both cases, that's about 5-6 times this current price. So we have that look forward to. Our main focus is for the near future with Vechain and V4 is to break through these major resistance lines, and I believe in the long term, if you buy in at these prices here and we sell out here, we should be in for some major gains. Guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't already done so, please hit that subscribe button.